Yo, before we get into today's unboxing, I got some heat to show you guys. I want to put you guys on to the next best way to perfectly curve the brim of your hats. Shouts out to my guy, He Got Kicks, aka Fours, for starting his own business. This one right here is called Perfect Brimz, and it pretty much is what the name of the brand is. It's a perfect way to curve your brim. Let's go ahead and check out the tool, something I've never seen before, and I was like, yo, you might be onto something. This is from Perfect Brimz right here. And just looking at it, it kind of looks self-explanatory. I'm gonna show you guys how to use it real quick. So we're going ahead and get our water heater, the little steamer or whatever. So we can go ahead and hit the brim of the hat. So we're gonna wait for this to heat up, and I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to use the Perfect Brim tool. So now we got that steam. All we're gonna do is hit the brim of the hat, a little bit of the side, you know what I'm saying? Flip it upside down, hit the bottom of it. And after you get done heating up the brim of the hat, all you have to do, let me show you guys, is put it inside of the Perfect Brim tool. Like I said, it's very self-explanatory. Let me give you guys a quick little tutorial on how to use this thing to make sure your brim of your hats is looking right, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna let this sit right here for a little minute, and whenever it's done drying, I'm gonna show you guys the finished product using the Perfect Brim tool. All right, so we'll let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Go ahead and take off the Perfect Brim tool right here so you guys can see. And now you have your finished product. Look how perfect the brim is of this SNKRS cap right here that I got a little while ago. Shouts out to the homie, man, for starting up his own business, starting up his own brand. I'm going to leave the website and the Instagram for Perfect Brimz down below in the description box. And you guys are getting a huge steal because he's letting everybody a part of the Vintage Squad get a 20% discount code using the Vintage 20. Like I said, it will save you 20% off your entire order. Make sure you guys go check out now. Get your brims looking very crispy. You don't need no rubber bands, you don't need no cups. All you need is a water heater and the Perfect Brim tool, and you get you something like this right here, man. All right, so now it's time to get inside of the kicks. I actually hit on these a little while ago, but it was something I was not letting, you know what I'm saying, too far off my radar. I said, yo, I gotta get these joints, they gotta come to the collection. And now they're finally here. We finally unboxing these joints, and I'm excited to see what these joints is hitting for in person. As you guys can see, the box, Air Jordan 3 box, man. This with the elephant print over here and that solid black box with that Concord, that dark iris, purple, whatever you want to call it, Jumpman in the middle of the box. Official colorway reads Air Jordan 3 Retro, white, black, and dark iris. And you guys already know, man, my Air Jordan 3s, I go true to size with that size 9. And it's time to get into the kicks, man. Time to get into the kicks. If you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, man, hit that subscribe button and notification bell for your boy, so you don't miss any content, because we're showing you guys a bunch of fire kicks. And let's pull these beauties. Ow, ooh. I don't know why people aren't talking about these joints, man. Check them out. We have the Air Jordan 3 dark iris. These are fire, but like, I'm not even capping with you guys. I'm not overhyping them. Look at that Jumpman on the tongue. You got a black Jumpman bordered off with that dark iris colorway right there, as you guys can see. And then checking out the hits and the quality and the leather, like, oh my God, they not playing this year as far as the Air Jordan 3 quality. These joints right here is tough, man. I'm really digging them. Let's go ahead and pull out both of the sneakers. And these right here, I think they sold out kind of instantly, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not too sure, but this is something I really wanted to go for. Seeing it dropping last month, and I say, yo, I gotta add them to the collection. And these right here, bro, these is tough, man. You got your black Jumpman Air on the back, that contrast between that black gray elephant print going around the heel and that dark iris on the heel right here is super clean. And let me hit you guys with a lot of B-rolls so you guys can see the leather quality. If I had to compare it to an Air Jordan 3, man, it had to be the Air Jordan 3 Fire Reds. Go ahead and grab them joints real quick. As you guys can see, we have the Air Jordan 3 Fire Reds, and just a side-by-side comparison. Like I said, I'm gonna give you guys some B-roll. The leather quality is pretty much identical. They did not let us down as far as the quality on a pair that's not an OG. You know, usually we want Jordan brand to go crazy with the OG colorways. These right here, the leather quality is top notch, along with the dark iris Air Jordan 3. These joints do not come with any extra laces, but the white laces does not disappoint me with these right here. Had to add them to the collection. If you guys have not checked out my Air Jordan 3 collection video, man, make sure you tap into it. Ever since that video, I think I done caught about 3-4 more pair of Air Jordan 3s, and just super easy to wear. They're mad comfortable, and when you throwing fits together with your Air Jordan 3s, it's super easy to rock. Get you a nice little fit out of them. Checking out the toe box, of course, you got your elephant print going all the way around, and you have your dark iris hits on the lacing system of these Air Jordan 3s down here. Surprisingly, right now you can get you a pair of these joints for under retail. If you guys do not know, man, they raised that retail price up on all like your Air Jordans besides the Air Jordan 1s. Air Jordan 1's like 180, everything else is 200 and above. And right now on GOAT, StockX, you get them for under retail, which is super surprising. Just looking at the colorway, I thought these was gonna be some hitters, but like I said, it's a new day and age. I feel like now is the time to get the shoes that you actually like. You ain't gotta worry about getting hit over the head for anything. Honestly, the last couple months, everything that's been dropping has been sitting on SNKRS app. They've been sitting in the malls. They've been sitting at a Nike outlet, which is crazy. And pretty much everything has been super easy to attain, add to the collection if you wanted it. I always look back at the Air Jordan 3 Mochas, the Air Jordan 3 UNCs, you know, colorways like that was going for retail on a release date. And now if you look at both those colorways I just mentioned, the dark mochas and the UNC 3s, both of them are going for $400 or $500 plus, which is crazy. I took L's on both of those, but I gotta add them to the collection soon. Like I said, Air Jordan 3s have been my go-to as far as rocking on a day-to-day basis. I want everybody down below in the comment section to let me know if you secured these joints, add them to the collection. I'm pretty sure if you wanted them right now, like I said, they're going for under retail. Super clean colorway. You guys let me know based off this unboxing and the B-roll you guys been seeing throughout this video. If this is something you will cop, do you like them? Are they trash? You didn't need them? I know it's a lot of stuff coming out the rest of the year. So these right here probably wasn't on the top of anybody's list. But me, I had to add them to the collection, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, this review. I'm definitely gonna hit you guys with the on feet of these joints. I love the colorway. Glad to add them to the collection. Sneakers like this is what you're gonna see in them drop fronts for some years to come, because it's a very easy colorway to rock in my opinion. Got the perfect hat to go with these too. So you guys gonna see some fits over on Instagram, so go follow me. Link down below in the description box. I appreciate all of the support, man. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. Make sure you guys go tap into the perfect Brimz. I'm gonna leave their link to their IG and website down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any content that we drop on the channel. That'd be greatly appreciated. And tap into Twitter, man. Today, the Air Jordan 3 Fire Reds dropped via exclusive access. And as soon as I got that info, I retweeted on my Twitter. Before we head into this on feed, I need everybody watching to leave a huge like on this video. And with all that being said, we're gonna jump right into the on feed portion over the clean Air Jordan 3 Dark Iris. These are a must for me, man.